Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Math Hub. In our today's session, I will be taking you through Applied Mathematics, UNEB 2025 with its proposed marking guide. I will also attach the link to download this PDF within the description for this video, and I will also put the link in the comment section. Please check for the link so you can easily download this document for your personal revision. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to TV Math Hub. It gives you a chance, it gives you a priority that you will always get updated first whenever a new video is uploaded. So let us go through this paper together. So we shall start with the question paper, and after that we shall look at the proposed marking guide. Remember, this is a proposed marking guide, meaning that some of the answers might be wrong. However, in case you find any problem within the marking guide, please consider putting it in the comment section to help also those that will be watching this same video. So let us look at the questions. So we have got the questions here, question number 1 and question number 2. Please stop the video whenever you want to copy down the question. Try to do it and compare with what is provided on the marking guide. So here we have 1, 2, and then we have question number 3. So here we have questions 3, 4, and this is question number 5. Feel free to pause the video so you can get the questions clearly. So we come to question number 6. So we have question number 7, and lastly question number 8, that is for section A. Then we look at section B. So section B, we start with question number 9. Then we look at question number 10. We have question number 11. So question number 12. Then question number 13. So we look at question number 14. And then we come at question number 15. Hey, please, as we continue looking at this paper too, get to know that we have already provided all the solutions, all the required responses to paper 1 2025. That is pure mathematics. We have already gone through each of the questions from question number 1 up to question number 16 for pure mathematics, UNEB 2025. So check out our videos. I will also provide the link to the playlist that is containing all the solutions to paper 1 pure mathematics. So feel free to check out this video that is having all the required solutions. So let us go on and look at the last question. That is question number 16. So basically that is all about paper 2. So those are the questions, and I hope the questions were very fair to each one of us. Please put in the comment section and tell us how you found this paper. So basically let us come to the proposed marking guide. So this is a proposed marking guide, meaning there can be some errors. So not everything that is within will be correct. So try to check, try to do on your own, and let us know if you found any problems within the guide. So we are looking at a solution to question number 1. So we have a solution to question number 2. So we have solution to number 3. Feel free to pause the video so you can get at the solutions very well. So we have number 4. We come to solution for number 5. We have number 6. So we come to solution for number 7. So we have number 8. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit like and share this video to all your friends such that everyone can be in position to benefit from this video. So we look at number 9. So we come to question, that is answer to question number 12. So lastly, we come to answer for question number 16. So that's all about this session. We have looked at the applied mathematics questions and the proposed marking guide. So please feel free to download this same document. We will find the link within the description, within the comment section. Check for the link, download this paper, revise at your own pace. So that's all for today, and we shall meet in the next session. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like.
Yeah.